Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install or download iOS 17 public beta. So how to download if the update is not showing on your settings, so how to download. First of all, open your Safari app. From here you search for this beta profile. From here you as can see come back on 5th June to get beta profile iOS 17. So scroll down. You as can see iOS beta profile iOS 16.6 beta 2, and after 5th June you have easily installed iOS 17 beta. What you need to do is tap on install profile, then tap on install, then tap on allow, then tap on close, and after that go back your home screen and open your setting. You as can see profile download, tap on download, then tap on install, enter your passcode, enter your install, then tap on install, and tap on not now, then tap on done, and after that you have easily download or install iOS 17. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.